Knob is not near any major metropolitan areas in Pennsylvania, but it does have a very loyal following.
We do have a unique vibe here. It's always been a skier's mountain.
Just the family atmosphere. You know, it's not hustle and bustle. Everybody knows everybody.
It's a bowl, baby.
Blue Knob is also the only resort in Pennsylvania that has a bowl.
There goes the Colin.
So naturally, we checked out all the angles.
We skied the whole place, top to bottom, and couldn't resist a chance to race.
This place isn't just about super slalom, it's about super deals.
You know, the midweek crowds are important to us. On Tuesday, which is Super Tuesday, day or twilight session lift tickets are $25. We also have college student Thursdays where day or twilight session lift tickets are $25.
Small price,
Big mountain.
even bigger plans for the future.
We have new owners. They took ownership the 1st of July. We did some upgrades in our lodge. We did some upgrades to our snowmaking system.
There are ways to save your downhill dollars here at Blue Knob, so you too can afford the experience. See you next time.